welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, you might remember this one from another video, what it's called Wow. And I have a bunch more. And I have monkey noodles. And these thingies. One more. Oh. Okay. And let's just do this orange one. That's Fidget toys. And this kawaii bag of kitties. So that's called pudding. And yeah, it's really big, but there's my dad right there.
Hi.
They can't see you. Yeah, stop. And kitty. So yeah. And I have another kawaii thing. So I'll show you another kawaii thing that's over here. Oh, my kawaii thing. Here's my kawaii, my other kawaii thing. Okay, can you turn it down? Thank you. Okay, for real now. This is another kawaii thing. Not a dog this time. Okay. It's some kawaii stickers and this strawberry purse. So yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe. That's all for today's video. And my kawaii dog is he's outside in the back trying to go to the bathroom. So yeah. So yeah, peace. See you later. Bye.